What's up, YouTube? Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. Something's up with YouTube, man. I don't know what's going on with it. Good morning, Paula. Third try to get this stream going for you all. Have no idea, Mark. Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. Send this week strong. I'm gonna unmute Team Boy, talk to them. You still in the trade, Greg?
Yes, sir. I stay in trade.
Hope it pumps for you.
We are right now at 10 points profit.
Give you that pre-market high. That'd be a nice trim. 23,280. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. We've been live every day this week on Instagram and here on YouTube. 3 wins, 1 loss this week. Live.
Stop loss of break even. Beautiful.
Nice job, Greg. Nice tall start today.
Thank you. I told you have to be quick today.
Right to that price target, that pre-market high. Perfect.
Yes.
Good job, dog.
Tell me some more, guys. I trust this level 233.
Greg took early NQ long entry. Took me 3 tries, YouTube, to get the YouTube stream to work. I don't know what was up with it.
This time they touched the stop loss level, but I hold it because the price action was still good. That's why I hold the trade. No.
All right. Anybody got a? What did he? Where did he get in? Anybody have any questions for me? I'm not sure how many will be here today. We had quite a few yesterday here, though. Decent amount. It is Friday. Some people don't trade Fridays. Check this out. Well, Powell speaks at 10 a.m. at Jackson Hole, so that could be a big mover. Big mover indeed. Yes. No, Eastern time. Anytime we speak time, it's always ET. That's what the market runs in. So that's what we speak. That's where I live. Good morning. I am pumped it's Friday. I don't know about you all, but I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Nice. Oh, I got distracted there. I was trying to see what my TSLL share or covered calls are at. Or cash secured puts. If I could speak this morning. Ooh, I may not get a sign. It's looking decent. Good morning. Yeah, Sarah. Trump does speak at 10. I don't know, or 12 rather. I don't know what he's going to announce though. He's got an announcement, but I have no idea what it is.
I guess I think we're gonna make a trade level soon.
You got some runners, Greg? I was.
Yes, sir. Yeah, last runner for mega trade.
We're pushing up a Team Bull to my supply up here. So this is the area I started watching for a possible short entry.
Man, what a pump. 20 more points, guys. 20 more points for mega trade level. Come on.
Called it, Greg. You said we were getting a mega trade today.
Yes,
And
sir.
we got it.
I told you in the morning. Sorry, yesterday. I told you in the afternoon.
You did. You said it.
Just 20 more points. Just a little keys to 348. That's what I want. Just a little keys.
A little keys to 348. You're funny, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's in, Raul, it's in my supply now. But I'm watching this level all the way up to 23,369 for possible reject. So quite a big zone. I'm just gonna look for a nice reversal candle confirmation. But Powell speaks in like 17 minutes or so.
I was gonna start ripping the market.
What are option premiums at this morning?
Now NQ is touching this daily level 323. We just need to break this level, guys. There is a massive resistance here. 323. It's a daily one.
Oh wow, they are juiced. But what can you expect today, you know? Yeah, Powell speaks in 16 minutes and Trump speaks at 12, I believe. He made an announcement. I don't know what announcement, but
If you are still on this trade with me holding, please keep your stop loss in profit. At this time, your stop loss must be in profit.
Stop loss must be in profit.
Please.
Nice trade, bro.
yeah, the market can move based off what they say, yes.
Baller alert. Baller alert.
Okay, guys, we are about to break this level. Break it, baby. Break it hard. Come on. 348 is waiting for you.
I may not get assigned all these TSLL shares this week. I needed to keep pumping.
It's approaching, guys. Few more points to go.
Nice job, dog.
This whole area.
I told you guys, we had this 4-hour candle to be filled. Is what they're doing right now.
Greg got it done for us.
This area here is where I'm watching. From here to here, it's a big area. But if we reject, that's where it'll be.
This at 348 to close this last run. I haven't 3 more. I'm just aiming for this big trade now. Come on, just 20 points. Come on.
Give it to my man's Greg. Come on. Give it to him. Starting off Team Bull with a 100-point trade. Casual morning.
Whoa.
Yes. Oh man, come on, don't do it.
It better not sell that whole move back off on this 5-minute candle. I just need a confirmation candle that's actually tradable.
Sure, if y'all got him too. Show that love to push your gains. Push your gains. Tag my boy Greg.
Yes, please.
Show it off.
Good morning. Welcome in. Happy
We're
Friday.
talking about that candle from 10 a.m. They just made
Ooh, they built that back up.
a huge candle.
Go, baby.
Volume there.
Your daily reminder to choose discipline over dopamine, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe.
Oh, who's this trying to get in? No idea about that. No idea.
Those dopamine over discipline lost a lot of money. Oh no.
I don't know if I watched it or not. I might.
Alright, there we go.
You
What are you
gonna
watching for, Grizzly Glock?
Are you gonna play the PAL speech when it comes on?
No, probably not.
I was watching for a short entry, but I don't like this candle the way it's looking. So nothing yet.
Probably nothing for no play in that.
Approaching the trade level again. Give it another try. Man, the scenario was perfect. From red line to red line. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, yawn.
No Mr. Gene today. He took the day off. He's going to the mountains with his family.
Gene retired at early age these days.
Yeah, right. He's been killing it. He's been making good money trading. Been working with me every day. Wants some other business in the life stuff. He's been killing it. The man's gonna make 6 figures this year. 22 years old.
It's awesome.
Nice.
Yep.
What happened to him last night?
Dude. Bro. Absolutely, dude. We were moving the second sauna door, bro. We were moving the sauna door, and literally too much weight got in the. I don't know. It was the weirdest things. We were both lifting it, dude. This one little piece got in the bottom, bro. That thing shattered everywhere, and he was under it. So literally, it cut him up real bad, dude.
It looked
real
bad.
bad. It cut him up real bad. See if I have any pictures on my phone. Oh yeah, no mames. Alright. We got this close above with higher volume. Let's see, the low here is 93. Let's see if we can take this orb. We got closes higher with higher volume on both these. 420, 422. Watching for the orb to play out, everybody.
What's up? So, if you're wondering what this is, I just updated it. But this is, you can find this indicator. It's called Trading Assistant. Go to grizzlytrades.com. It's called Simple Trading Strategies. You get this indicator, another one, and 3 strategies. So, and a 7-day free trial if you want to try it. grizzlytrades.com and click on Simple Trading Strategies. Also, Grizzology, the indicator you see on the chart, down here, the levels, is 7-day free trial as well. Same place, grizzlytrades.com. I get a 7-day free trial because I don't want you all to be charged. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Don't use it, don't get charged, just cancel before the 7 days is up. That way the people that want to be in can be in. And those that don't, you know, don't spend no unnecessary money. Can we run up the thumbs up real quick while we're waiting?
The orbs themselves don't look horrible. I have not taken anything. I'll let you guys know if I do.
Appreciate it.
What do you guys think is going to happen?
We got 5 minutes till he speaks. I was thinking about taking shorts if this candle closes like this.
The indicator's firing. See the cell?
It wants to.
I'm personally just gonna wait.
Yeah, me too. I hate when there's a big event like this.
Close my runners, guys. Big trade, big trade. Beautiful trade.
Yeah, I don't like how that 5-minute candle closed, so I'm gonna wait. That's what the sauna did, bro. Yeah, the bear did that. The bear did it. The bear messed up Mr. Gene.
Thing is, we're coming out of supply here. We could we could go short, but we also could confirm trend here. So when we have that happen, I'll just set it out.
Yeah, we got Powell speaking in 5 minutes too. Let's get it, baby. There we go. Oh, we're gonna have ourselves a good day. I know it. I can feel it in my bones. Greg already got us a. Was it a mega trade or was it just short?
Well, I guess I should took the short. Well, the short was the right idea, just wrong time for it. Not the right time to take a trade.
Guys, I think I'm done for today. After that big trade, no more reason to take another trade.
I'm watching how we react as we come down to this 50% retracement area.
That's from Grizzle IG Jack. That's an indicator. It's not. This one isn't automated that you see on the screen.
The strong selling candle, I'll look for a short entry in the next pop up.
You gonna enter shorts before Powell?
I might look a little on the wild side today. We'll see. Oh, Powell gives us just the ultimate dump. The ultimate free fall.
For my system, if we was gonna take shorts, we should have got in at 310. I just was hesitant because of Powell. I'm working on it, Jack, but it's proven to be pretty challenging, to be honest. So I can't make no promises. I understand how to automate strategies, but indicators are a little different.
So you might give it to us on this candle. We'll see. Option premiums aren't moving well today either. These option premiums are moving horribly, even on these aggressive moves up and down. Tesla's got some relative strength today. That's interesting.
I'm glad it does.
Yeah. You got a position open?
TSLO. I have 50 TSLO puts open that expire today. I need TSLO to pump up a little more.
No, I think you're right, Grizzly. I'm gonna hold off on taking anything before Powell. Damn, Brandon caught some shorts. Nice. Brandon caught a banger on shorts. Let's go. Ain't no better trading team than Team Bull, I'll tell you that right now. Holy crap. Did he say something about rates?
I hope he had his stop loss in.
Holy shit.
Jesus.
I hope he had his stop loss in.
We got rates, huh?
I hope everybody has stop loss and profit, huh?
What the actual literal, that is insane. That is crazy. What is the news? What's the news? Bro, almost 200 points in 1 minute. Almost 200 points in 1 minute. What the actual literal F?
I like it. I like what I'm seeing.
Man, this is crazy.
Oh my gosh. Wow, if you're in shorts, R.I.P. R.I.P. $5 candle on Tesla on the 1 minute. $5 candle. That is literally insane. Those Tesla contracts just went like a lot.
That is what I'm talking about.
Oh my gosh, what did he say? What did he say?
Mega trade level touch.
Yeah, I think your mega trade worked out, Greg.
Man, we got a giga trade now.
Giga trade, yeah, literally.
Jesus. I told you guys.
That is crazy, bro. Flix just absolutely slaughtered. Just absolutely ballistically slaughtered.
So watch this level, guys. 4A5 from my charts. It's a daily important level, and this is where we're stopping now. 2, 3, 4, A5.
Oh my gosh. Shorts just got spanked. Here in longs, wow, that's enjoy your next month off. Okay, let's see if we can find some key levels to trade. 643, 64, maybe 640 on SPY. Let's check out F22. We're at a very interesting spot. We're gonna find a good trade in this. I'll tell you what.
That allowed me to close out my TSLO. But
So you close it out?
oh yeah, lock the money in. That's what I'm talking about. Has Powell not started speaking yet?
This thing is ripping.
Okay, we're at
Ripping.
that's 4-hour gap right now, which is starting at 504.
Copy. Oh my goodness gracious.
So we are entering this gap. Be careful there. Huh? I think it's what they want to eat now. They're aiming for this guy.
Yes.
Austin, when I see the things you've been saying the last couple of days in here, I understand everyone goes through that slump. You got to think maybe like what's your daily, like your life like right now away from trading? Are you living a hard lifestyle, partying? Are you staying disciplined? You know, keeping your mind clear, focusing. You know, that all plays a part in your trading. I'm watching for a setup. I see one if we pull back quite a bit. Thanks, Paula. We can watch this area for a pullback for longs. Not on this candle though, the next candle possibly. Yeah, Austin, maybe just take a little break until you get the, you know, the home life and everything right. And Terry, I tell you, life is too short to fuss. That's one thing I don't do with anybody. I don't fuss. I just leave or remove the person. And that has been the best thing I've done in my life for stress and stuff. Just my 2 cents. take and do with it as you will.
It's a really, really good one. 485. Look, this level 485, they're entering the 4-hour level gap. If they hold this level, they're gonna be pumping continually.
Let it push.
The only area I'm looking for a possible long entry is 23,400. And preferably not off this candle, the next.
What are you looking for, Grizzly Glock?
A pull back to 23,400 for a long entry.
23,004. I like that. I like the whole area.
Well, if this candle chills out, we have that fair value gap 50% area around that Hosike.
Yep.
So
I like the sound of that, Grizzly. Let's go.
let's do it.
I like that.
GD out of left field. GD out of left field. Let's say fair value gaps. Bro says, what's up?
It's not letting me into my Tradeovate. I don't know why. Been fighting with it.
You know, prop firms just feasted off that big ass candle.
No, I'm not. I'm not on the trade. Already got a big trade. I'm just giving you the scenarios, guys. I'm just sharing with you what I'm seeing now. Possible scenario, they hold this one and keep pumping it to enter this gap. Or maybe they go down from this level 45, little down, maybe 20 points, 30 points to grab some liquidity and then pump recover the level.
Give us a move down to 400. Come on.
But yeah, they're holding 45 now.
Give us a move down to 400.
I say that out of.
If you took this idea and you're in the longs from 485, keep it tight.
I wouldn't trade any prop firms around this.
I told you.
To be honest, anytime you have news and stuff going on like this today, it's high risk. Prop firms are not the thing to trade, in my opinion.
Wow. What a pump.
I told you guys, I told you.
Powell is speaking. I don't know if he's done or not.
The middle of this gap is around 600. So we could be rejecting at 600. We could.
On a side topic, did you see where Robinhood's adding the sports contract where you can bet on sports?
I seen that.
Oh, that's gonna
That's
be
crazy.
awesome. It's gonna be dangerous for me. I got 90K in that Robinhood account. Full poured it.
College football right around the corner, bro.
I full poured it into some college football.
MES, ripping.
Anyone took the NQ idea from 45? Anyone on NQ loans? You guys, if you take 45, it's already almost mega trade level now.
We're inside this big 4-hour fair value gap too. The top of it's up at 720, 700, 720.
Yes. Man. That level was on my chart, on my watch list in the morning, 45. Morning level, daily level. Gary got the.
Not seeing much on order flow either.
Gary took the 45 loans, huh? You're almost a mega trade level, 10 points from mega trade level. Are you still holding, Gary?
What's up, YouTube? Any questions for me? If I missed it, I do apologize. Just looking this crazy market, right? What a time we live in.
So now look for our and add quick.
I clean my charts up a little bit.
Candles with higher volume. Look for the gaps to get the potential direction of where they're heading.
I have made $0.00 so far today. $0.00. $0.00.
One of the controls around 23,481 on NQ. That's interesting. When are we gonna start the fantasy league, Jada?
I know we need to, man. The season's about to start.
Yeah, we gotta start it. Gotta get it rolling.
We need an actual punishment for the loser, though.
Or just a nice. We need like a prizes for
Because
the winners.
It comes in last every year, so we'll just make the punishment the worst.
Brandon call HR on us.
That midline bounce was it today. I mean, that midline bounce was the ultimate.
Right, right to VWAP too.
Right to it, bro. The ultimate midline bounce. Now the question is, do we just if we just slowly grind up the rest of the day, I likely don't take any trades. I'd like to see deep pullback and then move up, or some clear sign of reversal and we move back down. That's honestly all I got. If we don't get those things to happen, then I have no trades. It's Riker's birthday, so I don't mind it. Something I say a lot is if it's a important day or you have things going on, always be risk off. And Q's moving above 600. We just absorb those sellers and look, man. We'll see if it holds. See if it holds.
I was hoping. I hope Trump, when he does an announcement today, announces like that SHIB is the new national crypto. Retire me.
SHIB is the new reserve currency.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Or Dogecoin. Be a lot of happy hodlers. A lot of happy hodlers. Ugh.
What a level, guys. What 111. 111.
Did I catch that run up? Nope.
I don't know if I could ever retire, Corey. Completely. So all I like to do is work, honestly. Spend time with, daughters, but I like working.
Still moving up, bro. That's
Hanging out with
great.
Madman.
Never gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. We're just gonna go up forever.
I think that's gonna be the route today. Is we likely just trend up. What we had Powell saying it might warrant cuts. That took a lot of the uncertainty out, and the market falls on uncertainty. May warrant cuts. The only reject area I see that I'll need strict, oh my gosh, Tesla's ripping too. I mean, it's really ripping. That's crazy. Only reject area I can even remotely see is up by like 700s, low 700s. And even then, we need some solid confirmation. We need some real solid confirmation. Greg, if only you would have held, you would have had GigaTrade.
Yes, it's okay. We got a 80 points trade. I'm happy. And the idea worked. That's what made me happier now. You see, we're rejecting now. The end of this gap is 638. That's where we are rejecting now. 633. And the end of this gap is 638.5. And we are rejecting at 633. Almost 300, but I closed it.
Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the put premiums I had pulled up earlier, just totally destroyed. Just totally massacred. See if we can pull back into our ad zones for some longs. We're a ways away, even if we look at it from a perspective of our retracements, let's look here. Our nearest 50% retracement is about like 420.
Is this the reversal candle?
I'm not fully convinced. I need to see.
There's still a ton of risk on that candle, too.
I mean, the candle itself looks good for a reversal. Not sure I can fade the trend with just one 5-minute candle. We didn't hit a key level or anything.
There's too much risk on it. I like the setup. If we held for the top of that candle, we'd need a massive trade for it to make sense.
If we got to pop back up into that candle and failed.
See you next week, Austin. Reset. Focus back in.
Fire Fed's cook if she doesn't resign. Bro's beefing with the Fed again. Bro's beefing with the Fed again. What do we got touching in Q630s? Let's see.
All right, thanks. I think I'm done for today.
You out of here?
Yes, sir. After that being
Have a good weekend, Greg.
have a great weekend, Grizzly. Have a great party, Jada. With your son.
I see you, bro. Thank you, man.
Have a great weekend, brother. Enjoy.
Jim, you too, man. Take care. Enjoy as much as possible the weekend, guys. Be ready for next week. Before I go, be careful with this level 45 again. That's the one that will bounce most more than 100 points. So, eyes on this level again.
Greg, don't forget to kiss the wife after that trade.
Yes, I will.
You gotta kiss the wife.
I'm going now.
Alright.
I'm going for that.
And that would have been the setup, Grizzly.
I'm aiming for that without stop loss. Take care, guys.
See ya.
No stop loss on that. That's funny.
No stop loss, that's right.
I like one more setup here. We don't have to quite get down to that 23,400 or 23,400. If we dip into this fair value gap at all, I'll look for the, the candle confirming that it's a higher low to enter off of.
Like 440. Dipping into 480 enters that fair value gap. Don't.
I like longs here, but there's too much risk still. I hate taking trades where you have 30, 40 points worth of risk.
And watch, that's going to be the freaking higher low. Not even into the fair value gap. That's crazy.
It went right down to point of control. If you have a trading assistant up, you see it, the blue line.
Let's throw it up.
Also, it needs to be updated. I released an update for it this morning, but it may already have done so.
liked the orb this morning too. Did go right to the point of control, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, well, at least Greg caught a really nice move this morning.
That's true. He got a nice trade.
Alright guys, I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Jaden, with all the coffee consumption, him and the squirrel bloodder. Oh. What do you think here, GD?
Honestly, I'm not a fan of where we're at right now, to be honest. And I also don't like trading after something like that, like a move like that. Just, if we drop down lower, we continue. We could try it, but just not my favorite. Probably stay away, honestly. Really big gap too. Like I don't typically use a gap that size.
Makes sense.
Because where you like, unless if you have a 5-minute candle confirm, that's fine. Then you just risk that 5-minute low. But without that, where do you risk the bottom of that gap? It's a long gap.
Yeah, and with these 5-minute candles, there's just way too much risk
Right.
on them to enter. You going fishing today? GD?
I'll probably go golf today. I've been swinging the club pretty well, so probably go play some golf. I like to do something outdoors, whether it's fishing or golfing. Soon to be hunting.
If I ever make local friends, I may golf as well.
I'll come out there. There's probably some nice courses in Tennessee.
I live right beside one, close to it. Problem is, I don't like many people, and I guess you actually have to talk to make friends.
That's the problem.
I just don't talk to anybody.
My handicap's it's in like I would say a good range, like around 15 to 20.
Thinking about to move again soon.
I've shot better though, but that's my typical.
Nice. I think I would golf very similar to the way Happy Gilmore did in that second movie at the beginning.
Think we're flagging, we're just gonna keep moving on up, huh? I just don't like people. We have to talk to them. Yeah, that's part of the game. There's actually a decent amount of indecision on the 15-minute on SPY. The 5-minute still isn't selling me on any sort of reversal. maybe 6,500. 6,500, we had a good amount of sellers. Got a decent amount.
Corey, I'm the worst. I am the worst at making friends. That's gonna be it for me, YouTube. We didn't get my entry. Too much risk to enter even on this bull flag. What can we do?
See the flag, it's not trying to get on board with it.
We'll come back next week. We're ending this week 3 wins, 1 loss live together here on YouTube. I hope you all have an amazing weekend.
Slow grind up well. Wasn't in for that aggressive.